Yup, we got another unboxing. Alright, we got two boxes. Let's get right into this first one. So, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. No way. No. It can't be. It's the Simplex yellow AV 4903? No. No way. I have never seen this before. This is crazy. I'm gonna have to keep this. This is one of a kind rare device. Oh my god, this is crazy. Sorry about that. I had a little bit of a moment there. Let's get into the stuff, you know? So go ahead, pull this guy out. I'm really bad at this. Frick. Yo. So listen. I kind of started opening it and then you said that, so I found the yellow thing.
Oh. Yeah, did you read the inside of it?
Yes, he wants his V33. That is very true. We got the classic.
Classic?
The classic.
The white one?
Yes. Alright. So, as you can see, we got a white system sensor specular classic. Very, very cool. It's the newer one with the square hole. Yeah, I got a white one. Yay! Woo! So what the hell is this? Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
what did you find?
Dude, that smells so bad. Oh my god. That smells. I'm literally putting that back in the box and I'm never looking at that again. Oh my god. Dude, it smells like death right now. I'm literally gonna get rid of this right now. I'm gonna go throw it. God.
Just put it back in the box of the other Spectrum.
Oh my god, what did you do to this thing?
I ran it over.
Oh no.
In a fire pit. I microwaved it.
Oh my god.
That's at the list.
They're gonna crucify you on Instagram. Oh my gosh.
I don't care.
Oh, this paper in here? Is this another situation? Bro, what in the heck is this goofy unboxing that you're making? What the frick? What? Oh no.
Wait, did you already get the 7001?
No, I haven't taken that out yet, but I got the picture now.
Oh, you found the picture?
This is the most cursed thing I've ever opened. Oh my gosh. Alright. And then in here we got an actually cool device. We got a Wheelocks 7001. This is actually in really good condition. Oh my gosh. This looks awesome. It's a very different finish than the V7001. It's fully smooth.
Yeah, it's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's super cool looking. Alrighty. And then I got another box if you want to stay on call for it. It's from a different...
Who's the other box from?
This is from... I don't know what his YouTube or what he wants me to call him, but I also traded a 2902. Yeah.
What's he getting you for a 2902?
He gave me a strobe. And it's a very cool one. Alrighty, so in here we got a very, very cool and very rare device. It's new in box too, so. Alrighty, so the box is a little beat up. As you can see, we got CWS1T-24 Strobe Single Gang in white. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, this is a very rare alarm that I believe, like, I'm one of 3 to have. So that's cool. Very, very cool. Yeah. And then, of course, we got the screws. And we got the documentation, which I probably should scan because it's actually really cool. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you have any, like, YouTube channel you want to shout out?
No, not really, but I'll shout out my Instagram, which it's IBM4251-1.
Yep, go check him out. He's really cool. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.